Okay, in this video I want to show quickly how I can go from adding a Polymarket app onto the OpenBB workspace and having access to it on an Excel add-in. So let's go. So I'm gonna go into my apps. You can see here all my accessible apps. I'm gonna connect a new backend. I'm gonna call it Polymarket. I have here the URL. It's been built by Joseph from our team. I add it, it becomes available here. I can also click here. And then I open that up here right directly. Then what I can do, I can click on these three buttons. I can go into the Excel formula. I can copy this. I can go into Excel, which is already connected, and then I can just paste it here. And that's it. And now let's say that I wanted to recreate that chart. I can just, for instance, select this, and then I can do a bar chart. And there we go. We have the same exact thing that we have on the workspace, and now this gets updated from the same endpoint that updates the workspace. So things that you can change here, you will also be able to change on the workspace and vice versa. So if you wanted to have like a smaller limit or something like that, you could also do that. Another thing that we added as well is the capability to let's say I want to create a new sheet. I go into here, I can go into about here, I can see all my backends. I'm gonna have a Polymarket one here, and so what I can do here is click on this icon here, which will also copy the formula for me. I paste it here, and you can see here that is basically searching for events. And so I get the actives, I get the type of markets they are in, the start date, and then the end date, and then the ID. And then let's say that I want to do let's go for I think event markets. So one good thing that I like to do is I go into the workspace to see what type of data this is. So if I go to the events here, and let's say I want to do this one, event markets. Let's go into the Excel. I go into event markets, this one. So I copy the clipboard, I paste it, and you can see here that I have the event markets. Now you can see here that I have several IDs, and so on the workspace here you have an ID field. So that same ID will be present on the Excel. And so for me, the way to edit it is by doing this ID, and then what number? Actually, I'm just gonna use this one, 27514. There you go, and then you get the data from the Polymarket endpoint. Yeah, that's about what I wanted to show. Maybe the other thing as well is if you want on the Excel formula here, you can click on explicit parameters. And so what that will do is basically put the parameters on the field on the top here so that you can change them here. So it kind of works the same as if you were a widget. Yeah, that's it.